Hi everyone, welcome back to the Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. If you're new to Canada or planning to move soon, one of the most important steps in settling here is finding a family doctor. In today's video, I'll explain how newcomers can find a family doctor in Canada, the best methods, helpful resources, and why having a family doctor is so important for your long-term health. Let's get started. A family doctor is your main point of contact for all your non-emergency healthcare needs. You'll need one for checkups, prescriptions, referrals, and long-term care. Walk-in clinics are helpful, but a family doctor provides consistent, personalized care. Most provinces in Canada have official registries where newcomers can sign up to be matched with a family doctor or nurse practitioner. You simply fill out your information, get added to a waitlist, and the province notifies you when a doctor becomes available. Alberta newcomers can use the Alberta Find a Doctor website to search for clinics accepting new patients. It's one of the fastest ways to locate available family doctors in your area. In British Columbia, you can register through the Health Connect registry to be matched with a primary care provider. You can also use Pathways Medical to search for clinics accepting new patients. Manitoba offers the Family Doctor Finder, where you sign up and get matched with a doctor in your region. The program connects you to the nearest available provider. New Brunswick residents can join NB Health Link, a service designed to match individuals with primary care providers. It's easy to register and get placed in the queue. In Newfoundland and Labrador, you can add your name to Patient Connect NL to find a family doctor or nurse practitioner. You'll be contacted when a provider becomes available. Nova Scotia uses the Need a Family Practice Registry, where residents join a waitlist to be matched with a doctor. The province notifies you as soon as a spot opens. In Ontario, newcomers can register with Healthcare Connect, which helps match you with a family doctor or nurse practitioner. The program prioritizes people without a current provider. PEI residents can join the PEI Patient Registry to get placed on a waitlist for a family doctor. The system alerts you when a provider is ready to take new patients. In Quebec, newcomers can register through the Quebec Family Doctor Finder, GMF. This tool connects residents with doctors based on availability and priority need. In Saskatchewan, you can contact the Saskatchewan Health Authority directly to find available doctors. They guide you toward clinics and community services in your area. In Yukon, you can use the Find a Primary Care Provider program to join the waitlist for a family doctor. You'll be matched as soon as a provider opens up. In the Northwest Territories and Nunavut, residents must contact the local health authority directly. They will help you find clinics or providers currently accepting new patients. There are great websites that help you find doctors who are accepting new patients. RateMDs shows ratings and reviews. Lets you filter by location. Shows doctors accepting new patients. White Medium Star Medimap. Join multiple waitlists. Free and paid versions. Alerts when doctors open spots. Lumino Health. Search by specialty, languages, and services. Lists clinics accepting new patients. Settlement agencies often have updated lists of doctors who are taking new patients. They may also help you find doctors who speak your language. It takes a bit more effort, but calling medical clinics can help you find openings that may not be posted online. Some clinics will also add you to a waitlist. Talk to friends, coworkers, neighbors, and relatives. They might know doctors accepting new patients or recommend someone they trust. Why having a family doctor is so important. Here are 9 key benefits of having a family doctor as a newcomer in Canada. 1. Trusted communication. You can ask questions freely and get honest guidance. 2. Better understanding of your health. They explain test results, medications, and your overall condition. 3. Faster, accurate diagnosis. They know your medical history and notice changes early. 4. Preventive care. Regular checkups, vaccinations, screenings. 5. Continuous care. One doctor familiar with your long-term health. 6. Care for your whole family. Kids, adults, and seniors, all treated in one place. 7. Coordinated care. They refer you to specialists, labs, and hospitals when needed. 8. Chronic disease management. Helpful for diabetes, asthma, heart conditions, and more. 9. Mental health support. They can help with stress, anxiety, depression, and emotional health. Finding a family doctor in Canada can take time, but using these methods, registries, online tools, settlement agencies, phone calls, and your network, will increase your chances. Having a family doctor is one of the best long-term investments for your health and your family's well-being. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.